After you get some nice and fresh, juicy blueberries in your muffin tin, grab yourself a little bit of brown sugar, and I'm just kind of sprinkling about a scoopful of brown sugar right here, mixing it up in with our blueberries, just like so. Ooh, and these fresh blueberries look amazing. Ooh, summertime berries are just, I swear, the best. They're always the ripest and the freshest. I love cooking things with berries in the summertime because they're just sweeter, juicier. Ooh, overall, they're just better. So we put about a scoopful of brown sugar into each one of the muffin tins along with those blueberries. There we go, that turned out great. Now I'm gonna grab some walnuts and I'm pouring them in, just a little bit of walnuts here with the brown sugar and the blueberries. So these are just the chopped up walnuts, and you know, to be honest, my daughter cannot have walnuts, so I'm only gonna do it to half the pan. I love it with the walnuts. She's allergic, so obviously if nuts are not your jam, don't put those in. And you know what, if you do know anyone with an allergy, I totally feel you. Okay, so there we go. Now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna slide this over, we're gonna bring in a bowl. This is when it gets really fun, you guys. We're gonna grab some yellow cake mix. Here we go, just open that up. I'm just gonna dump that whole thing right in there. Now here I have a little bit of cream soda. Let's go ahead and top that off. And look at this. I am just pouring this cream soda right here in with this vanilla cake mix. What? This is gonna be so good, you guys. And guess what? We don't have to add anything else to this cake mixture. Look at how fizzy that's getting. I'm just pouring it in nice and slow. You can see I'm just pouring it in really nice and slow. Just like that. I don't want it overflowing. Looks to me like I found the perfect size bowl. Hooray. Now we'll go ahead and we'll nice and carefully give that a stir. Go ahead and stir that until all of the powder from the cake mix is mixed in with that cream soda. Ooh, it's already giving such of a fragrant vanilla smell to it. This is like the easiest way also to make a cake mixture. If you've never tried it, seriously, you have to try this. It is delicious. All right, you guys, now this is all mixed up and you can see that there's no more lumps and all of that fizziness from the soda has gone. That's exactly the way that you want that. You can see that I am pouring this cake mixture right on top of the blueberries, the brown sugar, and the walnuts. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're just taking a little bit of this scoopful and we're putting it right there on top of all of that good stuff, and all that's gonna do is gonna lock in the moisture from the blueberries. It's gonna create a delicious syrup, and not to mention having just the cake mixed in with the cream soda. Oh my goodness, it is such a good little sweet added touch and gives the cake just a little bit more of a vanilla flavor. Like I said, if you haven't tried it, you have to try it just for that purpose alone. You will not be mad about it, I'll tell you that much. Wow, look at how easy that was. I don't know about you, but I can already smell it. It smells so good. I can't wait to put these in the oven. I'm just gonna pop them in at 350. They're gonna cook for about 20 minutes. I'm definitely gonna keep an eye on them and just wait until you see what happens when we flip these bad boys over. You're gonna love these things. Wow, you guys, look at these. They smell so good. You can see some of that blueberry just like peeping out, which is crazy to me. I don't know how it baked and ended up kind of on top. All right, here's the truth. We're gonna set our cutting board right on here. We're gonna flip this over like so. Give these a nice tap. Okay, looks like they're coming off really good. I can't wait to show you guys. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I'm so impressed. They all came out of the pan. Look at those blueberries. Ooh, they made such a good little blueberry sauce on top. One final touch, bringing some powdered sugar in. We'll just lightly powdered sugar the top of these little personal blueberry upside down cakes. Wow, what a fabulous idea. And on top of this blueberry, I cannot wait to taste the cake. Okay, let's see. I think we're good for the powdered sugar. That looks absolutely fabulous. And now, let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. All right, I'm gonna go right here front and center for this one. Ooh, it looks so moist and good. And those blueberries, oh my gosh. This might be messy, but delicious. So good. The brown sugar gives it a little bit of added sweetness, and those walnuts in there, it just gives it a little bit more flavor and a good texture, like a crunch. I love it. You guys, this is a fabulous idea. I hope that you love it. Give it a try, share it with a friend, and let me know what you think. See you guys later.